Hey, what's up guys, I'm Eric Strife and today I'm just going to bring you a very quick tutorial of how to save and restore your peeling shoes. As you can see in the picture, my shoes are pretty much dead. They are super old and I'm just going to show you how I restore them and yeah. So the very first thing that I'm going to do is to clean the shoes because it's full of dust and crap, whatever. And yeah. Once it is cleaned, it looks like this. You can see that there's a lot of peeling going on, so what you can do is you can go with your fingers and just help it peel the rest off, or just grab a knife and just take everything out and make sure that you take all the peel off, you know, so that you can proceed with the tutorial. Okay, so now you can see that the parts where there were peels are lighter than the other parts. So what I'm going to do is I am using acrylic paint mixtured with water. I think it will be around 30% paint and the rest water, because the acrylic paint should be liquid so that it doesn't crack, you know. So what I'm doing is I'm just applying like 3 or 4 layers of acrylic paint with water. So yeah, to make everything darker and to cover those lighter spots that we just saw. And yeah, now you can see the difference from one side with the ink and the other side without. And let's move on. Here you can see I've just made the 4 layers of acrylic paint with water, and make sure that you don't use only acrylic paint raw, because that's going to crack, so that is why you need to mixture it with water. And here you can see that I just try to do these little effects at the tip of the shoe, of this little arrow, because I wanted to give it a little style, but I'm not sure about it. But I mean, let's give it a try. Let's go and now do it on the other shoe as well. Okay, so the way that I did it is I got this little tape glue, whatever the name is, and I'm just going to get it in place. Then I'm going to be painting it with nail polish, you know, because actually nail polish is actually really good for painting shoes because it doesn't crack. So yeah, that is what I'm using. And since the shoes are kind of cottonish under the leather peelings that just came out, the ink grabs actually really well. And yeah, you don't need to do this. This is just me trying to do something different. If you don't want to do anything, just call it a go and your shoes will be good to go, you know. Very sorry for my English, it's not my native language. I'm trying my best to improve it. So yeah. Okay, so one side is painted, and then I'm just going to the other side. Make sure that when you move to the other side, the first side is dry, I mean. So yeah, it doesn't get nail polish everywhere, you know. make a clean work. And the same goes for the acrylic paint with water. Make sure that every single round that you go, that it is dry, so it isn't a mess, you know. Okay, so now it is done. And I'm just going to grab my nail polish and I'm just going to paint those little corners that weren't as perfect, and make sure that everything is perfect, you know. So yeah, I mean, these are the shoes. I hope that you guys liked the tutorial. This was very quick and easy. I hope that I helped somebody out there. And yeah, go save your shoes and see you next time. Bye!